The joy of a poultry farmer is to see our birds growing in size and increasing in weight. This indicates that we are doing very well in raising these birds. But then, there are two major reasons why your birds will be looking healthy and eating good, but not increasing in size and weight. But before I address this, let me hear your opinion in the comment section. What do you think could be these two major reasons for your birds eating well and looking healthy, but not increasing in weight? Let's share knowledge. Stay tuned as I'll be giving my own opinion shortly. Thank you.